Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply e-tourist visa to India as a family including a minor. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. Alright guys, so guys, India is a very popular destination and its popularity for tourism is increasing, no doubt. And a lot of people would like to travel to India. I too have traveled to India. In fact, I was born in India, but when I had got my citizenship, I had to apply for this e-visa once because I had to travel, and then after I applied for OCI, so that's fine. Now, when it comes to apply for Indian e-visa or e-tourist visa, let's say, as a family, so this is something we are gonna go through it. I have already published a video where you can see how to apply e-visa as an individual for an adult. Okay, so before I go into that, let's click on FAQ. So here in question number 13, you see I am applying e-visa for myself and my son daughter who is a minor. Do I need to apply for a separate e-visa for my minor child? Yes, ensure your child's passport is valid. So that means if you are applying for a family, you need to apply for a separate visa. It's clearly written here. Okay. Alright, so let's say you and your family is traveling. So for adults, I have already described the process in a different video, so I won't go into that, but I'll include the link. But for minor, let's go through it. So we'll click here, apply here for e-visa. The process is more or less we're gonna remember the same, so we'll go through. Only eligible nationalities can apply, remember. Passport type, let's say ordinary passport. Port of arrival, we are gonna travel. Delhi, very popular. Date of birth, so minor we are applying, right? So let's say 21 Feb 1st. Email ID, other email ID, tourist visa, which one would you like? Let's say you want to apply for this. Okay, and why you wanna? Meeting friend, relative, whatever is your case. All right, and then you need to enter this captcha and then go to click on continue. So I'm gonna do that, and when you click on continue, it says this recent color photograph, size less than 1 MB, and passport page confirming personal particulars. All right guys, click on OK. All right, now details: surname, given name, gender. Few information has been picked up from before. All right, so let's begin. So I've gone through, let's say a boy, let's say Toronto. You need to fill as per your case, don't just go by what you see here. Now a common question comes like, what should we answer here for a minor? So for this we have NA being minor, right? Like for a 2-year kid, you cannot expect any qualification. You can nationality by birth, so birth. Have you lived at least 2 years in the country where you are applying visa? So this guy has crossed, so it's fine. Passport details, okay. Any other passport nationality held? I select no. So I'm going to put some sample here, guys. Then I click on save and continue. Address, permanent address, father detail, mother detail, same questions. I'm gonna fill something. Of course I will not be submitting this application. 2 characters. All sample, guys. Anything that is not same address, yeah, fine. but I think they're gonna ask phone number. Let's see. Father letter. So Stephen Smith. Just sample, guys. Place of birth, country, oh, mother details, Jessica Smith. Just sample, guys. I'll change it to Oshawa. Osh. Okay. The status. Oh, sorry. Yeah. For a 2-year-old guy, what else can we do? This I select no. Whatever is applicable, you just save and continue. Yeah, I said one phone number, one contact number they will ask. Okay. Places to be visited. Places line 1, line 2. Having a room in hotel, restaurant, tour. No. Details of purpose, type of visa. Okay, let's put some places to be visited. Delhi, Kolkata. Sample, guys. Details of friend, relative. Anything that is not mandatory, I'm just leaving it. Okay. Expected exit point, but you need to answer all the questions as per your case. So I'll go for Delhi airport. Before I select no. Mission to visit or access India previously been refused. I select no. Countries last 10 years, no. Have visited our countries, no. Reference name in India. Sachin Sharma. I spoke to someone with this name recently, perhaps that's why. 6 Delhi Street. He's gonna be very angry if I use his name. Name in Canada. Sort of same. This is 2. Oh, detail of purpose. Oh, because I selected meeting relatives, so it's asking the details. Smith. Sample, guys. Just don't go after it. Have you previously been arrested for some law of court? So basically they have selected yes by default so that you can go ahead and make the right correction. I hereby declare the information correct, and if you click on save and continue, it's going to ask you for upload your documents and pay the fee. That I'm not